Here is another simple combination you can make for belly dance for beginners. So first of all, we're going to do step taps, and as we do that, we're going to change what we call the tray or waiter hands. It's the Egyptian look with one hand flat, with the waiter carrying a tray here, and one behind. Make sure it's as flat as you can, because you want to carry a tray here. As we change feet, we're going to change hands. You can do it with a little slide if you like that look, or just step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Then we're going to do step taps back with a little shimmy. You can shake just your wrists, or your shoulders, or your whole body, or even with a lean back. It's up to you how much you want to do your shimmies. Some people aren't comfortable shaking around, so they just like to make their arms. So get some of these on your wrist, and you can make your own. You can buy these little coin things literally in any haberdashery shop and just link them onto some material if you like. It gives you the feel. And did you know, authentically, the more coins you actually wear, particularly on your skirt, is the higher your status and ability. So those beginners who come to class with hundreds of coins on, it doesn't matter, but just so you're aware of that, the more coins you have that you're wearing, the higher your status is really what it is. So let's try it again. So we're doing step taps to the side, changing our waiter or tray hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do our step back and shimmies. 1, 2, 3, and on 4, take this foot over to this side as you're turning back to your tray hands. Now we can start this way, the whole routine. So step taps, changing your tray hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back shimmy this way. 1, 2, 3, and on 4, take the foot round to start again. It really doesn't matter as a beginner which foot you go or which way you turn, but each new time should face the next side. If your class is going on a different side, it doesn't matter as long as you're having fun. You're doing it for exercise and for fun. So don't worry about hitting the right foot first. Correct at this stage, just enjoy doing it. So sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, back shimmy, 1, 2, 3, turn. And then you could repeat it this way. So you do it 4 times in all to be back to the beginning. So that's a simple one, but to get you used to changing directions. So have fun with that one.